If you are suffering with a continuous coughing with lots of mucus coming during the process, then it is a sign of whooping cough, which if left untreated, then it can cause life-threatening complications with you. So now let's know what is whooping cough, what are its cause, what are its symptoms, and how we can treat it. Hey everyone, this is Aagam Singh Sisodiya and you're watching Disease Media. Whooping cough is a bacterial infection caused by a bacteria named Bordetella pertussis. The infection begins with our throat and can spread to the whole respiratory tract and can cause the mucus accumulation in the whole respiratory tract, and due to the mucus accumulation the airway becomes shrinked up and there is a narrow pass from which the air can travel to the lungs, and that creates the breathing difficulty with the person. That's why the continuous cough is faced by the person, because the body of that person want to excrete out this mucus, this excess of mucus from his body, so that the body can respire in a normal way. But due to the infection of this bacteria, the mucus again accumulate at that place and again the problem begins. The common symptoms of this whooping cough is not only coughing but coughing with outbreaks. Means that when a person start to cough, there is no break in between, that a person can wait even for his breath. And sometimes in many cases blue color is seen on the cheeks of that person because there is a deficiency of oxygen in the person's body. That's why due to that the blue color appears on the skin of his face, and sometimes it becomes the reason for death for infants or childs. But still now there is a doubt in many people's mind that how we can differentiate that it is whooping cough or a general viral infection. Sometimes it becomes difficult for the people or even for the doctor to differentiate between a whooping cough or a general viral infection. But you can understand the difference very simply, that if your cough lasts for 1 to 2 weeks or just resolve within the period, then it is a normal viral infection. But if your cough lasts after 2 weeks, then it may be a sign of whooping cough. For at that time you should consult a doctor and tell him that I am suffering from how much days from this whooping cough. So for diagnosing your whooping cough, the doctor prescribes some tests such as culture test of your cough or the blood test, from which the doctor can identify that is which type of bacteria is infecting your body. Means that if there is whooping cough, then there is Bordetella pertussis in that case. If there is positive case of Bordetella pertussis, then doctor can prescribe you antibiotics for this, and when you start taking that antibiotic on your regular basis, your body will start to recover within few days. But make in mind that this disease lasts for a long time, and even if you are taking the antibiotics, it will take time to recover your body because the infection is spread in the whole respiratory tract and it needs time to overcome from it. And finally, I want to say that if you want to prevent yourself from this whooping cough in your future, or just don't want to spread it to other ones, then please avoid the contact with the infected person. And secondly, you should wash your hands before touching your face, your nose, your mouth, your eyes, anything on your face, because your hands touches many things, and when these hands touches these pathogens, they start entering through your hands in your body and start infection. And if you are a parent of a child, then give him proper vaccination against whooping cough, because these vaccines works very good, about 80% against the whooping cough. So that's all about whooping cough. I hope this video helps in understanding your concept. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Please share this video with your family and friends, because by sharing this video you are creating awareness about whooping cough. And if you haven't subscribed this channel, then please subscribe this channel, press the bell icon and select all to get more notifications about these type of videos. So that's all for today. I will see you later in the next video.